Hello everyone, I'm Nandini, studying MSc in Computer Science at Manasa Gangotri, Mysuru. In this video, I'm going to explain you about network devices. Before that, let us see what are network devices. Network devices or networking hardware are physical devices that are required for communication and interaction between hardware on a computer network. Types of network devices. Here is the common network device list: hub, switch, router, bridge, gateway, modem, and repeater. Hub. A hub is basically a multi-port repeater. A hub connects multiple wires coming from different branches. For example, the connector in star topology, which connects different stations. Hubs cannot filter data, so data packets are sent to all connected devices. In other words, collision domain of all hosts connected through hubs remains one. Also, they do not have the intelligence to find out best path for data packets, which leads to inefficiencies and wastage. Types of hub. Active hub. These are the hubs which have their own power supply and can clean, boost, and relay the signal along with the network. It serves both as a repeater as well as a wiring center. These are used to extend the maximum distance between nodes. Passive hub. These are the hubs which collect wiring from nodes and power supply from active hub. These hubs relay signals onto the network without cleaning and boosting them, and can't be used to extend the distance between nodes. So let's see the clear picture for better understanding. As here you can see, all the PCs are connected to a centralized device called hub. Whenever PC sends data, it is going to replicate to all the connected PCs of a network. Means user cannot send data to a particular PC, and it simply creates a lots of traffic, and this is one of the disadvantages of hub. Switch. A switch is a multi-port bridge with a buffer and a design that can boost its efficiency and performance. A switch is a data link layer device. The switch can perform error checking before forwarding data. That makes it very efficient as it does not forward packets that have errors and forward good packets selectively to correct port only. In other words, switch divides collision domain of hosts, but broadcast domain remains same. Hub is a broadcast device which sends data from one PC to all, but unlike switch is a multicast device which can send data to a particular PC in a network. Routers. A router is a device like a switch that routes data packets based on their IP addresses. Router is mainly a network layer device. Routers normally connect LANs and WANs together and have a dynamically updating routing table based on which they make a decision on routing the data packets. Router divide broadcast domains of hosts connected through it. A router is used to connect two or more different networks. Different networks cannot communicate with each other, so we use a centralized device called a router to make them communicate with each other. As you can see in this picture, we have two different networks with the IP addresses 10.0.0.0 and other with 20.0.0.0. As they cannot communicate with each other, we use a centralized device called a router to make them communicate with each other. Router uses the IP addresses for sending packets to a devices in a network. Bridge. A bridge operates at data link layer. A bridge is a repeater with the add-on the functionality of filtering content by reading the MAC addresses of source and destination. It is also used for interconnecting two LANs working on the same protocol. It has a single input and single output port, thus making it a two-port device. Bridge is used in bus topology. In bus topology, the time PC1 tries to send data to PC8, the data is used to broadcast to all the available PCs in a network. and like this it simply creates a large of traffic. So from overcoming this problem, we are using a networking device called bridge. It is divided into two segments and stores all PC's MAC addresses into its table. Here, PC1 is trying to send data to PC8. So, the data will first travel to bridge. Bridge is going to read its MAC addresses table and decide whether to send the data into segment 1 or segment 2. Hence, the PC8 is in segment 2. Bridge will broadcast its data in segment 2. And like this, it reduces the traffic in a network. Gateway. A gateway, as the name suggests, is a passage to connect two networks together that may work upon different networking models. They basically work as the messenger agents that take data from one system, interpret it, and transfer it to another system. Gateways are also called protocol converters and can operate at any network layer. Gateways are generally more complex than switch or router. Next, we have repeater. A repeater operates at the physical layer. Its job is to regenerate the signal over the same network before the signal becomes too weak or corrupted, so as to extend the length to which the signal can be transmitted over the same network. An important point to be noted about repeaters is that they do not amplify the signal. When the signal becomes weak, they copy the signal bit by bit and regenerate it at the original strength. It is a two-port device. A repeater is used to regenerate or replicate signals that are weakened or distorted by transmission over long distances. Modem. Modem is a device that enables a computer to send or receive data over telephone or cable lines. The data stored on the computer is digital, whereas a telephone line or cable wire can transmit only analog data. The main function of the modem is to convert digital signal into analog and vice versa. Modem is a combination of two devices, modulator and demodulator. The modulator converts digital data into analog data when the data is being sent by the computer. The demodulator converts analog data signals into digital data when it is being received by the computer. So here modem is used as a modulator and demodulator, and the process is called modulation and demodulation respectively. So guys, hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.